Have you ever wondered how to make sure that the information ChatGPT gives you is reliable and backed by sources or not? Then this video is for you. Today we will explain how to use the custom instructions feature to get reliable answers, including links and sources from which the information was obtained. Welcome to Valley 4 Techs. Today we will talk about a very important topic that will help you get the most out of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a great feature called Custom Instructions. This feature allows you to customize the way ChatGPT answers your questions based on your requirements. The idea here is that you can enter special instructions that make the answers more accurate and reliable. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT through the official website or desktop application. If you prefer to use the application version, click on its icon to open it, then click on your account picture, then click on the option, Customize ChatGPT. Now, scroll down until you reach the section, How would you like ChatGPT to respond? If you prefer to use the web version, open your preferred browser, then go to the ChatGPT platform by typing the address in the browser's address bar, then log into your account by typing in your email and password. Click on your account picture, then click on the option, Customize ChatGPT, then go to the section, How would you like ChatGPT to respond? Second, type the following prompt, or you can copy it from the description below the video and paste it into the How would you like ChatGPT to respond section. The prompt is: ensure that all answers to my questions come from reputable sources, and always include citations and links to the sources of information. This means that you are asking ChatGPT to ensure that all answers come from reliable sources and provide links. Third, now that you have entered the instructions, save them by clicking the Save button to enable the prompt to be executed in new chats. Now try asking ChatGPT a question, such as, what is the latest research on artificial intelligence? You will notice that ChatGPT now answers you with more precision, and at the end of its response you will notice a button called Sources. If you click on this button, a side menu will appear with direct links to the sources. Now it's your turn to always check links. Make sure the sources are really reliable by checking the sites. Ask clearly. Clear and specific questions help get accurate answers. Try different fields. You can use this feature to search for technical, scientific information, or even everyday life tips. So today we learned how to use custom instructions to get reliable information from ChatGPT. Try this method, and let us know in the comments how it turned out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.